Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange the apps on your Hisense Google TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that there are some apps you use more so than others. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's pretend that we use the YouTube app a lot. You could actually highlight the YouTube app, then grab your Hisense TV remote and hold down the OK button. Once you hold it down, it's actually going to give you the option to move it. So you can actually click on move and you can cycle between left and right to actually rearrange this app. So let's say we want it to be placed here, just click on OK and there you have it. Now, if there's other apps that you want to go ahead and rearrange, same thing, you can press and hold the OK button in order to rearrange it. And then once you're done, simply click on done and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rearrange the apps on your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.